Hey guys, it's Rupi here. So I wanted to talk to you today about the pH 2.5. So I use this pH 2.5 for hand sanitization. I carry it everywhere in my handbag. It's great for the skin. It doesn't dry. It's not drying at all. And it's antibacterial. So carry it in my handbag. Now it's made from the Kangen machine. And I use it for cleaning around the house, like the bathrooms and the kitchens, anywhere where there might be germs. And also it's non-toxic. So you can have an eco-friendly home. And the other thing is you might want to go to YouTube and listen to this doctor, Doctor Horst Filtzer. He's a vascular surgeon. He endorses the Kangen water and he talks about the pH 2.5. Very interesting. You'll want to listen to him. Okay. And this is the doctor I'm talking about. So Dr. Horst Filtzer, go check him out on YouTube and see what he says about the pH 2.5 water. And he's from Harvard University. It's well worth a listen. You'll be surprised. Okay, take care. Bye for now. See ya.